Good morning and welcome back to the channel. As you might have seen, I had a little accident with my radio. So this display, it's gone. It's beyond salvage, and the radio doesn't. I can't use it because nothing is showing. So what I've done, I did get a replacement radio. Even though I can transfer the model settings from between the radios using my computer, I still would have to bind all the receivers. So my plan right now is actually to see if I can just switch the LCD display. I do have another display on order. I'm not sure if it's going to work. That's why I'm looking into this solution first. So I'm not sure if it will work. I've never tried it. I didn't really check it. The only thing I did was yesterday I did open up this radio. Here you can see the back side of the radio, and nothing else seems to be damaged. It's just the display. It seems to be possible to remove it. I'm not sure if this is going to work, but since this display is broken anyway, it doesn't matter if I'm not able to remove it and not damage the cable. Of course, it's not the same for the new radio, so if it doesn't seem like a good option, I'll definitely not open up that one and try to switch the displays. But this one has to be removed anyway, so I'll start here and make this a learning experience. And I thought I'd film the whole process for you to see, just in case you have the same experience as I did and are a little bit unlucky when it comes to your radio and your LCD display. So first we have to start by removing the screws holding this circuit board. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 screws. Okay, there's something that kind of holds it back. Trying to see what it could be. Could it be this dial? Maybe we need to remove this one. I'll see if I can find let's see if I can find a good tool to do it. Yeah, it's just a pop meter. There we go. Maybe not the most elegant way to do it, but it did work. This is how it looks on the back side. I guess it's a good thing it's well put together, but right now it's a little bit of a pain. The circuit board is freed up, and I'm wondering how to I really don't know what I'm doing here, but it seems like it's just, yeah. So it's just pushed in like this. Then the question is, Is it possible to remove from the other one and install it? Is it worth the risk? I really wish the other display was here. Then I could have tried that one first. So, here we can see. After a little bit of internal debate, I've decided to move forward with changing the display. I'm really hoping I won't regret this decision within the next 30 minutes. So let's make sure that we don't mix the parts. So a beautiful brand new radio, and I'm going to open it up. It's just slightly different from the white one. Yeah, as you can see, it's not the same, but it does look like the display. It's super difficult to see, but the display seems to be quite easy to access. At least it seems to be the same. Okay, the display is out. Put it over here for now. Then try to put this back together real gently. So there it is, final put back together. Then it's the moment of truth. Will I be able to actually put this back together and make it work? That's going to be interesting for sure. First of all, let's install the display. I wish it had a better connector. I might be speaking too soon, but from my experience, in general, it's actually not that often that you're able to screw up electronics. They are not as sensitive as you might think at first. That being said, of course, you should be careful when you're doing this, and I guess anti-static is the most important thing to avoid. Or is it static? I'm not really sure. Let me know in the comments. There. Let's get this display in there. Okay, looks good. Put this frame back on. Okay. Put in a couple of screws to hold it in place. Just gonna put in all these screws, put them back in place, and then we can add or put the connectors back where they belong. Then of course put the rest of the radio together and put the power back on, and then let's see what happens. Okay, those are the screws. Different set of pliers. Everything in place, I think. Yeah. Put the cover back on. Everything looks good. I'm gonna hook up the battery. So one of the differences I noticed was the way the connector is put on the circuit board. Okay, this really is the moment of truth. Success. I can't really tell you how happy I am about this, to see that it's actually working. So there we go. New LCD installed. So what I'm going to do, when I get the new display that's on order, I'll show you when I'm putting that back in the black radio as well, just to see how the replacement panel will fit, and yeah, we'll take it from there. So thank you for staying with me on this one. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and drop a comment if you would like. Thank you. That's it for today. I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.